Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Lombana and I am the founder of the Agent Wealth Farm here with eXp. And today I'm going to be answering one question that I get asked pretty much every single week. And the question is eXp Realty a good brokerage for brand new agents? Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be answering that question for you. So let's get started. Alright guys, so before we get started with the video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button below, okay? Make sure that you hit that bell so you get notified every time that I post a brand new video in the channel. Okay, so just like I mentioned, we're going to be talking about the reasons why I think that eXp Realty is the best brokerage for brand new agents. And I'm going to be talking about the top 3 reasons in my opinion. Reason number 1 is support. With eXp, and if you're a brand new agent, which means that you probably haven't done, let's say, 3 deals during the last 12 months, what's going to happen is eXp is going to assign you a mentor, a person that's going to help you go through the process and make sure that you actually sell some houses. So that person is going to help you understand the process of buying and selling, the use of all the software. Now, you're also going to be getting access of more than 40 hours per week of live classes that you can jump on anytime you want, that work around your schedule, and you're gonna be able to learn different stuff in regards to real estate, from using all the software, how to get clients, how to get leads. Again, the list goes on and on and on, and all you have to do is sign into the eXp world, in which we're going to be able to see all the schedule, and if there is a class that you think is going to help you grow the business, all you have to do is sign up for it, and of course you're going to be showing to the class virtually, which is a great option. Another great benefit for brand new agents is the hours of operation, because eXp is a virtual brokerage that's all over the world. You're gonna have access to all the offices and a lot of the people 24 hours a day. Now, if you're on a brick and mortar brokerage, what happens is, of course, you're gonna be open, 9 to 5. Anything after that is gonna be really hard to get a hold of who you need. So again, one of the great benefits, in my opinion, is that you can get a hold of people in case you need something pretty much 24 hours a day. Another great benefit for brand new agents is something called eXp World, okay? And what it is just a virtual world. It's like a video game in which you have your own little character and stuff like that. And what happens is you can log on to this virtual world. You can just walk as if it was like a video game, and you can actually walk into any office that you need. So you can go to the marketing office, you can go to the financial office, you can go to your broker, like managing broker office if you have questions for them. And all you have to do is go into your computer, log into your virtual world, pretty much walk into whatever office and person you need, and somebody's going to be there ready to talk to you. I don't think I waited more than, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes to talk to somebody when I needed to talk to somebody, okay? So again, that's what I'm talking about, all the support, which is great for brand new agents, because remember, at the beginning, you need as much support as possible to understand what the process is, what to do, when to do it, and of course, understand all the moving parts of being a real estate agent. Now, the second reason why I think eXp Realty is the best option for brand new agents is sponsors, okay? So what's a sponsor? Sponsor is that person that invited you to join eXp. That sponsor is part of your team, and that person is the one that's there to help you succeed, okay? So it's very important to pick the right sponsor, because if you don't pick the right sponsor, you might not be able to see the type of result that you want in your business. So this is what I say to brand new agents looking for a sponsor. The first thing that you want to do is you want to find somebody that has the skills that you don't have, okay? So for example, if you don't know how to get leads and get clients, of course you want a sponsor that knows how to collect leads and clients, okay? So in our case, my team, which is the Agent Wealth Farm, I'm also part of the Wolfpack team here at eXp. Now, the Agent Wealth Farm and the Wolfpack, we specialize on social media lead generation for real estate agents. So when somebody joins our team, what we do is we give you guys, the new agents, all the courses, all the coaching that's going to help you get leads through social media like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook groups. Again, the list goes on and on and on. Because of course we want you to succeed as of course you're part of our team. Now, this in my opinion is one of the top reasons why it's so good for real estate agents, because if you're a brand new agent, you probably went through the whole real estate school, but I guarantee you that they didn't really teach you how to get clients. So by picking the right sponsor that knows what you're missing, of course, is going to be able to help your business grow instead of just being stuck trying to figure out how to get clients into your business. Now, the third main reason why I think eXp Realty is the best option for brand new agents is because eXp Realty gives you the opportunity to start creating wealth as soon as you start working for eXp. Now, when I first started real estate, I was working for another brokerage, and of course, they were really good. I have nothing bad to say about them, but if I wanted to make money, I had to sell homes. If I didn't sell a house, I would be with no money, right? So with eXp, you can not only sell houses and make money actively, so you actually have to be there physically, but it gives you so many other opportunities to create passive income, so you don't have to physically sell houses and you can start to bring money passively, which means that, again, you don't have to be there, which is an option that not many brokerages out there are giving their agents, okay? So again, I think those are the top three reasons. First, all the support that you're gonna be getting, not only from your mentor if you're a brand new agent and haven't sold more than 3 houses the last 12 months, but also those 30 plus classes per week that are happening live inside the virtual world. And of course, access to the virtual world so you can talk to anybody you want and you don't even have to get out of your house if that's what you want, okay? Second, of course, the sponsor, just like I talked about, make sure that you pick the right sponsor that actually has the skills that you don't have, so you can work together to make sure that your business is successful. And lastly, of course, they give you the opportunity to start creating some passive income instead of just working and exchanging time for money. All right, so there you have it, guys. Hopefully you learned something in this video. Hopefully I answered your questions. If you have any questions for me, if you would like to jump on a call with me so I can explain and see if eXp is the right brokerage for you, all you have to do is click the link below. There is a link somewhere down below. Click the link, book a call, and I'll be more than happy to talk to you and see if this is the right brokerage for you. All right, so thanks for watching the video, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.